On top inside Edo today, we go continue to pray make peace day for Edo State. Now Obaseki nine talk this one. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don't talk am say no matter the katakata wey dey shele for Edo State politics, him administration and Edo people go continue to dey pray make peace day for the state. Obaseki talk this kind of ogbonge thing when him carry Edo State Government Executive Council members waka go meet Oba of Benin, Omonomba Nedo Ukuakpolokpolo Oba Ewuare II for him palace for Benin City, as them go follow am jollificate on top Ewuare ceremony. Obaseki talk say them waka come make them for fit pay homage give Oba of Benin as them dey celebrate Igue festival, and them still come make them for fit pray make peace day for Edo State.
We've come to pay homage to our royal father. As you know, this is the Igue festival period where the Oba prays for the people and the land, performs ceremonies, cleanse the land and pray for peace. So we are here to celebrate with him and to perform the traditional rites of Igue. Well, for peace, for continued peace in the land, particularly at this time.
Make una sabi say Ewuare ceremony na ogbonge ceremony wey dey shele every year, and na Oba of Benin na they receive the Ewuare leave, wey mean blessing and peace for Benin Kingdom. People wey follow Governor Godwin Obaseki go for this ogbonge waka na Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, Secretary to Edo State Government Osarodion Ogie Esquire, Head of Service for Edo State Isaac Eyozuwa, Edo State Solicitor General Wole Iyamu SAN, and plenty other ogbonge people.
My glasses plus my limit.
Now here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk am say dem go continue to pray make peace for the shele for Edo State. Make una sabi say this ogbonge update wey waka come to una so na T Live Media na bring am come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge informate, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Comment, like, and follow us for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.